Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add your Amazon wish list or just a list of products like a storefront on your Linktree. So first of all, you want to go to Amazon, and here on account you want to click right here, create a list. So you will need to have a Amazon account, of course, and here you can click right here and write down what you want, like a wish list, create a list, and now you will basically add products which you want to show to your customers. So for example, let's click on those towels, and now you can see right here, add to list. So I'm just gonna click on add to list, and it was added to my wish list, as you can see. Then you can scroll down and search for other products. So let's search for Crocs, for example. Let's add these ones to list. Let's add maybe other ones. Well, basically you understand that you go to a product, you add it to your wish list. Now I will go to my wish list right here, or you can find it right here, where your lists are. Now, as you can see, I added some products, and I can send this list to others. So I'm just gonna click on send this link to others, because you need a link to link it to your Linktree. You click on view only and you copy the link. Now you go to your Linktree, and to add a button of your Amazon wish list, you're just gonna click right here. You will enter that URL right here, and you're gonna click on add. Now let's add. We can actually leave it, check out my list on Amazon, or my Amazon wish list, for example. We can rename it, of course. And as you can see, they already added the picture, the thumbnail. And yeah guys, that's it. That's how you add your Amazon wish list to your Linktree. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.